No more bending or straining to clean your feet. With BESKAR Shower Foot Scrubbers, you no longer need to bend over or try to keep balance when cleaning your feet. Just move back and forth on the brush and your feet will be clean. The foot scrubber mat is suitable for people at any age, especially for arthritis, hip, knee, back pain, athletes, pregnancy, the elderly, injured and more. More large size and keep both feet clean. BESKAR Shower Foot Scrubber Mat size is 28 cm, other only 25.4 cm, and suitable for 5 to 12 shoe size. It is large enough and satisfies you to stand on it with both feet cleaning. With powerful suction cups firmly attached to the floor, you don't need to worry about moving or slipping. Deep foot cleaning and exfoliating. With hundreds of scrubbing bristles, your feet will get a clean like they have never felt before. Dual bristle design. The long bristles on the top provide a deep cleaning between your toes and the area that is neglected, while the short bristles can clean the soles of the feet. Treat yourself to a foot spa experience in shower. Foot massager to improves foot circulation. BESKAR Foot Massager and Scrubber have 104 pcs shiatsu, other only 36 pcs. Reach every pressure point and massage as hard or as light as you'd like. Foot massage is vital to improve foot circulation for a happier and healthier you. Eliminate foot odor. Smelly feet is nobody's friend. Combat foot odor by combining BESKAR Foot Scrubber Mat and tea tree oil and scrub your foot worries away. Money-back guarantee. If you aren't completely satisfied with our shower foot scrubber, we offer a full refund, no questions asked. Top reviews from the United States. Works great, especially for the price. Love this thing. I stand on it while showering. First put body gel on it. Squish your feet around on it. Sparkling clean. And I am a Florida barefoot girl. Lol. I am purchasing more for Christmas gifts.